feels so high maintenance. 200? Good morning guys, and welcome to another video. I am so happy that you're here. Today is just gonna be a vlog of a Sunday in my life. So we're going to church this morning, just finished my morning prayers, and then I'm hoping to make like a really nice lunch. We'll see if it happens, because I'm also hoping to go to shopping with a friend. There's a church pretty close to me, so it's about a 5-minute drive. So hopefully I'll just get an Uber and we'll head off to Mass. Best accessory. I'm calling my Uber and having an apple because I didn't eat breakfast yet, but it's a 9 a.m. service. So when I come back, I'll have some things. Lunch for tomorrow. It's just a shrimp, green beans, and potato 1 skillet recipe. Super simple. I just wanted something familiar, like home. So yeah, very happy, very excited to eat. Should I do? Because this is like me. Pink is me. This one gives me more options what to wear, maybe. This is definitely giving me more options to wear. Giving me more options to wear. I don't know. Watch me try to bargain. Excuse me? How much?
280.
280. No discount for this?
250.
250. But the same one is 250. The same. But it's smaller. 200?
This one is 350 rupees.
That is what?
350 rupees.
350 for this one?
Check out that small one, is 750, 650. So not a depending size, ma'am. Depending
Why? Why not?
Depending work, ma'am.
The work, okay, the effort to make it.
550. 280, ma'am. 250 आ जाएगा.
लगा लो ना 200 का.
या तो मैम छोटा आइटम ज़्यादा ही महंगा होता है, बड़ा आइटम में
250 now there. Okay. Thank you for trying. I appreciate you. You said this is how much?
850.
That is for 600?
How much are you charging it for?
This is 850.
Come on.
500. 500. I'm a student. I don't have like 700.
Take it 700.
I don't have 700.
It's a reasonable price, not too much. Reasonable price.
600. 650.
Wait, sorry. How much
Yeah. Thank you. better at bargaining.
My shoe is biting me.
It is more.
South Indian music going.
Guys, I want this so bad, but it might not fit in my suitcase. Oh my gosh, the tiny ones. Aw. Wow. Oh my god. Wow. Okay guys, so I'm actually now at a mall. We had a little bit of a change of plans because it started raining and the food at the Metro, there was a lot of options, but I'm still worried about my stomach after having worms and getting sick of it. Oh, I might get copyrighted for this music. Okay, so basically we changed plans because there were a lot of options, but they were all like non-veg, so I'm just not sure with my stomach. So had to just go to the mall. I'm gonna get some food at the food court, and then I'm actually closer to where I live, so I can just take a metro from there. I wanted to go to this farm bowl. Okay, I don't know if you guys can hear me, but basically I wanted to go to farm bowl because I want something hearty and good, and it was just chicken, grilled chicken, rice and veggies, which sounds amazing, but they didn't rewarm the food. I think there was something I was trying to explain that I needed everything to be hot, and they were like, it's as it is. So the rice would be warm, but nothing else. So I'm worried about that. And it was also peri peri chicken. So I'm kind of avoiding spice right now. So we're at Burger King. I'm gonna get sick. I mean, I already am sick of burgers at this point. But it's okay. Thank God for nutrition, or for sustenance. And I'm very ready to be home. I'm getting a headache now because I haven't eaten all day, but it's been a good day. I'll show you guys a haul of what I've got. I probably will get set. I probably will do that actually tomorrow because I'm gonna go home and wash my face and sleep. Here's our meal. Guys, I realize this has ice. I can't have ice. They were kind enough to give me another one with no ice. I feel so high maintenance. Okay, let's eat and go. Good morning guys, it's the next day. I thought I'd show you a haul of what I got yesterday. I'm very excited about it. Mostly got a lot of gifts for friends and a few things for myself. The first thing that I got for myself though is this purse. I hope you guys can see it's all like hand jeweled with some red rhinestones in the middle and the pearls on the ends. And I just wanted a purse that was both like, you know, I could use it because there's a chain here. Just cute, or I could just hang it like on a stand and it just looks nice, and of course had like an Indian type print. So this is lovely, exactly what I was hoping for. I also got these little bookmarks, which I think are super cute. I wanted to get something for my brother and for my cousins. I don't know who's gonna get these. I only got two. I don't know why I only got two. I was just like, I don't know if bookmarks are the best gift, and I have more places. I guess I have more places to go to. I can go back to Charm&R, so got those. Also, throughout this entire, you guys saw the videos. I tried to bargain. I think I was doing a pretty good job, honestly. I could have bargained more, but like for someone who's not speaking the language, I'm proud of myself. I got these earrings as well. They're like a gold, how do I show you guys this well? Oh, there it is. Yes, these gold earrings with flowers on the edge, around them, and pearls on the edges. Again, I don't know if I'm showing it too well, but they're very pretty, and I thought I could give this to my sister or my mom. Yeah, and I got this one too. I love unique earrings. I might be too ambitious for other people getting them these earrings, But look how cute that is. I don't know, it reminds me of like a Christmas tree with the pearl on the bottom though, which Hyderabad is known for the pearls, so I thought it's nice that I get some pearls in some sense. So these are just the more out there earrings that I think were pretty, and I'll probably just show them to family and see if they want them, and if not, I'll keep them or I'll regift to other friends. I got this set of pearl earrings. Let me see if you guys can see them. Basically, I have a group of friends and I thought it would be cute if we got like friend group earrings. I actually have 2 groups of friends that I really want to do this for, but maybe the other one I'll do like bangles, because everything is, I think that group is more of like a silver jewelry kind of group and this group is more of like a gold, so the golden pearls was so cute I had to do it. So this is cute. I got a good discount on that one too. I got this necklace. I thought it was so pretty for my mom. She was like, if they have jewelry, that's a good price. So we'll see. I don't know. I feel like I could have gotten a different style for her though. So I don't know. I'm definitely gonna, I mean, I bought it, so I have it, but we'll see if there's any other things that I want to give her instead. And then I got these 2 bangles for my aunts. I just wanted to get them something for fun. These were good price together actually. I got these for 500 rupees. Is that a good price? I thought it was a good price because he was like, this was 400 and these were 150 each, which is obviously, most people are like, oh, it's already a high price, so maybe it's not a good price, but I was proud of it. So my little bargaining thing. This is like the last gift, is this really nice shirt. It's actually a kurta for men, and I got this for my dad because he was like interested in the clothing there that would not make you sweat. And this is like the Gandhiji or Gandhi's type of loom fabric. Like he encouraged India to create her own fabric and clothing. So I think that's amazing that this is like also a part of the history of India, and I don't have anything in that loom, so my dad will have one at least. And then last but not least, I got something for myself that I like would love to remember India by, because I could see it more often maybe if the purse isn't being used, or I don't know, whatever. Is this, I just thought this was really cute. It's actually a like placemat, but I think I love pink. If you don't know, I love pink, and I love for my room to be mostly like cream and neutrals with like a pops of pink in color. So this could be the biggest pop. Just hanging it on a wall, or even being used as a carpet or a prayer rug for like, I just think this is just so lovely, and it just makes me happy, the bright colors and everything. And yeah, they gave it to me obviously for a discount because it's supposed to come with like a whole set and a table runner. So I'm happy about that. So yeah, that was my haul from shopping, and I think I'll be going to Charminar to get the last minute things and to get things for my brothers. I just want to get like cookies and stuff actually last minute for friends, and I wanted to get a mug, but now that I'm thinking about it more and more, I'm like, that's a lot to carry, and maybe hope it doesn't break. So I don't really need a mug, that just would be nice. So yeah, we'll see. But thank you guys so much for following along this vlog. I had so much fun. I was really hoping for a day where I could feel like back to the energy that I had before, and going to Shilparamam was amazing. Like that was just so what I needed. It's also just such a beautiful place. So yeah, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!